just the kind that parents love. Now you and the chief get up and make something to eat, while I go up on the top of this mountain and look around. Goes out of the cave. Sam continues with the narration. Climbing the mountain, I looked toward the summit. I expected to see the men on the village searching the countryside, but all was peaceful. When I got to the cave, I found Bill packed up against the side of it. He was breathing hard, with the boy threatening to the side strike him with a rock. Bill is standing with his back against the wall, and the boy is aiming a rock at him.
Okay, yes. So, beta, now we are going to start from the Bill's dialogue, page 123 again. Do you think anybody will pay out money to get a little imp like that back home? Imp means a naughty child. So they were thinking that he's such a naughty boy. I don't think so. Anybody will pay, money to us to get back this boy. Okay? He's such a naughty boy. Sam, sure, a boy like that is just the kind that parents love. So Sam is thinking that, but no parent in the world, ठीक है, just hates the child. जैसा भी बच्चा हो, obviously parents like them, okay? So he is thinking that his parents must love him, ठीक है? वो जैसा भी है, it's okay. So उसके parents उसको like करते हैं, ठीक है? Now you and the chief get up and make something to eat while I go up on the top of mountain and look around. So chief कौन है बेटा यहाँ पे? Little boy. Now he's thinking that you should go and make something to eat, and meanwhile मैं ऊपर जाता हूँ, देखता हूँ कोई आ तो नहीं रहा, ठीक है? Sam, climbing the mountain, I look towards Summit. Summit is the place, beta, from where they kidnapped the boy. So he was looking toward the summit. I expected to see the men of the village searching the countryside. So uski expectations kya thi? He thought that some men or women might come to search the boy. But all was peaceful. There was no man or no woman to find the boy. Okay? No one was searching the naughty boy. When I got up to the cave, I found Bill backed up against the side of it. So when he went back, okay, what did he see? He found Bill backed up. Backed up means when you just move backwards. आप पीछे पीछे हो रहे हो किसी से डर के, ठीक है? So he was just backing up against the side of it. He was breathing hard, with the boy threatening to strike him with the rock. And there was a piece of rock in the hand of the naughty boy, and he was warning, okay? He was giving warning to to Bill that he would just throw one big rock on him. So little boy, beta, you can imagine this naughty boy, इसने दो एडल्ट जो इतने मैन है, एज्ड मैन है, मे बी 30 years और 40 years, उनको इतना तंग किया हुआ है, ठीक है? Bill is standing with his back against the wall and the boy is aiming. Aiming is pointing, जब आप निशाना लगाते हो. And the boy was trying to aim a rock at him. ठीक है? He was trying to throw rock on his face. Okay, the next one. Yes, Harshika, read beta this page till end.
Okay, ma'am. Bill explaining to Sam. He put a red hot potato down my back and then crushed it with his foot. I hit his ears. Have you got a gun with you, Sam? Sure, I will fix you. Points at Bill. No one ever yet struck the chef chief, but what he got paid for it. You better be careful. After eating, the boy takes a leather strings tied around it from his clothes and goes outside the cave, unwinding it.
Okay, fine. So Bill now explaining to Sam, he put a red hot potato down my back. So they were just making potato to eat, okay, for dinner. And what did the boy do? He just threw one hot potato on the back of Bill. ठीक है, उसने Bill की back पे one hot potato, he threw that, okay? And then he crushed it with his foot. And then he crushed the potato with his foot. I hit his ear. Have you got a gun with you, Sam? Now Bill is so much, frustrated that he asked Sam that, do you have a gun? I want to shoot this naughty boy. Okay. Now he's so much annoyed and he's so much frustrated that he wants to kill that naughty boy. Sam takes away the rock from the boy and ends the argument. Now Sam, what did he do? He just snatched the rock from the boy जो उसको मारने लगा था बिल को, and then he ended the argument. Argument is when जिसको हम बहस बहस बोलते हैं, ठीक है? So he ended the argument. Johnny, I'll fix you. So Johnny again warned Bill. He said that I will teach you a lesson one day. ठीक है? मैं आपको सबक सिखाऊंगा. ठीक है? I'll fix you. No man ever yet struck the red chief, but what he got paid for it. You better be careful. Now he's, again giving him warning that कहता no man can, stand in front of me like that. ठीक है? You better be careful. कहता be careful. I will teach you lesson one day. Abhi be the naughty boy. He is sure that he would teach lesson to Bill one day by just, throwing stones at him, by hitting him hard and by maybe burning him. ठीक है? तो उसका प्लान है कि मैं बिल को एक दिन लेसन सिखाऊंगा. This little bit, a 10-year-old boy. You can see the picture of the boy also. So after eating, the boy takes a leather object with string. So have you ever seen that thing बेटा जिसको हम हिंदी में गुलेल कहते हैं? Have you ever seen that thing? Gulel. Anyone? Just wait, beta. I think there's some network issue. Let me open it. Just wait. Yes, आप में से किसी ने गुलेल देखी है? Yes, Saksham Meli. Saksham. Unmute yourself, please. Have you ever seen, beta, this thing, the leather string होती जिसके साथ, and people just, ऐसे pull करते हैं उसको और stone फेंकते हैं या कुछ भी फेंकते हैं? Have you seen
yes,
it?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Disha, have you seen it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, yes, beta. So what did he do? He takes the leather object with string. इसको बेटा गुलेल कहते हैं, ठीक है? Tied around it from his clothes and goes outside the cave unwinding it. So there was one string also. So a boy के हाथ में एक leather object है, ठीक है? Now who will read? Disha, one paragraph, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Sam. Then we heard a king of shout. It was like Chef holding a sign in one hand. He moved it faster and faster around his head. Just then I heard a heavy sound and a deep breath from Bill. A rock the size of an egg had hit him just behind his left ear. Bill fell in the fire across the frying pan of hot water for washing the dishes. I pulled him out and poured cold water on his head for half an hour. Then I went out and caught that boy and shook him. Sam is holding the boy and pointing a finger at him.
Okay, that's it, beta. Okay, fine. So this is beta red chief. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat the words which you pronounced in the incorrect way. So it's red chief. Okay, and deep breath. When there is no e in the end, we just pronounce it as breath. And when e is there, we just pronounce it as breathe. Okay, you got the difference? Yes, Ekansh? What is the difference between breath and breathe pronunciation? You have lost somewhere. Rachit. Rachit, when we call it breath and when we pronounce it as breathe?
Ma'am, breath means, ma'am, the air we inhale. Ma'am,
No, beta, the meanings are, I think, same. I'm asking the pronunciation. When do we pronounce it as breath or breathe? Spellings difference क्या है बेटा?
मैम ब्रीथ में लास्ट में ई आता है.
Okay, and in breath there is no E in the end. Okay, fine. So I'm going to just explain this paragraph and then Rachit will read and after that Ekansh. Okay, then we heard a kind of shout. It was Red Chief holding a sling in one hand. He moved it faster and faster around his head. Just then I heard a heavy sound and deep breath from Bill. Again, beta, the boy is trying to hit Bill. ठीक है? अब उसको फिर से वो stone मारने की तैयारी में है. So a rock the size of the egg. So now this time he is having rock in his hand and the size of the rock is like the size of the egg. ठीक है? Had hit him just behind his left ear. Now, finally, this time Sam could not stop him. He hit the rock and where he hit it? On the left ear of Bill. Okay, on the left ear. Bill fell in the fire across the frying pan. So, जो उन्होंने cooking करने के लिए they were having fire. So, Bill fell into that fire. ठीक है, वो उसमें गिर गया. And then frying pan of hot water washing for dishes. I pulled him out and poured cold water on his head. So Sam saved him, okay? And what did he do? He was just pouring cold water on his head because uska head bhi ab puri tarah se jal gaya almost, okay? Then I went out and caught that boy and shook him. Shook is the second form of shake. तो उसने उसको शेक किया, okay, रेड बॉय को, just to scold him, ठीक है? Sam is holding the boy and pointing the finger at him. अब Sam is warning the boy, ठीक है? Is giving warning to the boy that मैं तेरे को घर वापस छोड़ाऊंगा अगर तू नहीं सुधरेगा तो, ठीक है? So next is Rachit. Rachit, after that Ekansh, then Adnan. Yes, Rachit, you can complete this page. Rachit, unmute. No? Okay, Ekansh. Ekansh, unmute yourself, beta.
Ma'am.
Saksham, please complete the page, beta.
Ma'am.
I don't know what is happening here. Yes, beta. Can you hear me, Saksham? Raymond, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, Saksham, if you can hear me, complete the page, beta.
Ma'am, from Bill or Johnny?
From Sam, if your behavior doesn't improve.
Ma'am, just
Page 124, Sam's dialogue.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. If your behavior doesn't improve, I will take you straight home. Now, are you going to be good or not? Johnny, I was only having fun. I didn't mean to hurt old hand.
I'll behave.
Think that was stuck with the child. We thought it best to act so. Ma'am. So we sent a letter to old man Dorest that day, demanding the ransom and telling how it should be paid, the letter said.
Okay, beta. So I hope now my voice is audible. Okay, there was some, I think, issue in the Zoom app. Okay, so I'm going to start. Just wait. Akansh, what is happening, beta? So if your behavior doesn't improve, I'll take you straight home. Now Sam gave him warning that you have to just change your behavior, otherwise I will send you back to your home. I was only having fun. I didn't mean to hurt old Hank. Now Johnny is saying sorry and he's saying that please don't send back to my home. I want to live with you. I want to stay with you. Okay? So realizing that we were stuck with the child, we thought it best to act soon. So Sam realized that they should now call Mr. Dorset and ask for money, और जितनी जल्दी हो सके इस बच्चे से पीछा छुड़ाना चाहिए उन्हें, ठीक है? Now they wrote one letter to Mr. Dorset. Who will read that letter? Adnan. Yes, Adnan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Beta, please read this letter they have written.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Ebenezer Dorset, we have your boy hidden in a place far from Summit. We demand $1,500 for his return. The money to be left at midnight tonight, at the same place and in the same box as your answer. If you agree to these terms, send the answer in writing by a messenger tonight at 8:30. After crossing Owl Creek on the road to Poplar Cave, there are 3 large trees at the bottom of the fence. Opposite the third tree will be a small box. The messenger will place the answer in this box and return immediately to Sumit. If you fail to agree to our demand, you will never see your boy again. If you pay the money as demanded, he will be returned to you safe and well within 3 hours. Two desperate men.
Okay, beta. So now they wrote one letter to Mr. Dorset and they told him that they are having their son with them and they wanted $1,500. So earlier they wanted to ask for $2,000, but they thought that we should ask only $1,500. Okay? Now they wrote that give us $1,500 and we will give back your son to you. Okay? Now they are telling him the way how to reply to their letter. They are saying that there are 3 trees and in front of the third tree there is one box. You have to give reply in that box. Okay? अब जो सैम है he is going to post the letter, but Dorset को कैसे reply करना है? He has to put reply letter. ठीक है? The answer in the box given on the in front of the tree. उसने एक पूरा एड्रेस बताया जहाँ पे 3 trees लगे हुए हैं and in front of one tree he has to put that paper और अपना reply लिख के भेजना है. ठीक है? Now Sam, yes, who will read now? Now Rachit, unmute please. Rachit.
Yes, ma'am. Sam continues with the narration. I took the letter and walked over to Poplar Cove. I then sat around the post office or store. An old man there said he heard Sumit as all worried because of Ebenezer Dorset's boy having been lost or stolen. That was all I wanted to know. I mailed my letter and left. The postmaster said the mail carrier would come by in an hour to take the mail on to Sumit. At 8:30, I was up in the third tree waiting for the messenger to arrive. Exactly on time, a half-grown boy rode up the road on a bicycle. He found the box at the foot of the fence. He put a folded piece of paper into it and left, turning back toward Sumit. I slid down the tree, got the note, and was back at the cave in a half hour. I opened the note and read it to Bill. This was what it said. Gentlemen, I received your letter about the ransom you asked for the return.
Rachit, that's it, beta. So, beta, Sam now he just took the letter and walked over the Poplar Cove. This is the name of the cave or kind of place. ठीक है? I then sat around the post office. An old man there said he heard Summit was all over worried because of Ebenezer Dorset boy having been lost or stolen. तो वहां पे एक ओल्ड मैन ने सैम को बताया दैट all the people in this village or in this place at this place are worried because one boy of 10 years old had been lost. That was all I wanted to know. So Sam was little bit happy because he came to know that people are worried because of 10 years old boy. I mailed my letter and left. Now he just put that letter in the letter box, okay, and then he left. The postmaster said that the mail carrier would come by in an hour to take the mail to the summit. And then finally postmaster gave him information that in 1 hour the letter will reach the destination. Okay, exactly on time. Half grown boy means the young boy. So young boy just came there on near the third tree and he put one slip or one letter into the box. अब किसका reply आ गया बेटा? Ebenezer Dorset का. So Ebenezer Dorset read the letter sent by Sam. Now he had sent one reply to Sam. ठीक है? तो then I slid down. The slid is the second form of slide. Then he was hiding himself on the tree. जो Sam था वो tree पे छुपा हुआ था. And then he just opened that letter. और उस letter में क्या लिखा था? Who will read? Yes, Prabeen. Read the letter better. Gentlemen,
Gentlemen, I receive your gentlemen, I receive your letter about the ransom you asked for the return of my son. I think you are a little high in your demands. I hardly make your counter proposal, which I believe you will accept. You bring Johnny home and pay me $250 and I agree to take him off your hands. You had later come at night because the neighbors believe he is lost, and I could not be responsible for what they would do to anybody they saw bringing him back. Very respectfully, Ebenezer Dorset.
okay. So beta, now they posted one letter in which they asked for $1,500. Now they got the reply from Ebenezer Dorset. I received your letter about the ransom you asked for return of my son. I think you are little high in your demands. Now Ebenezer Dorset क्या लिखता है? He is writing that you are high in your demand. He is saying that $1,500 are too much. I can't pay this much amount. I hereby make you a counter proposal. Counter proposal means to make the offer. ठीक है? In return. तो suppose मैंने आपको एक offer दी, ऊपर से आप मेरे को offer दे रहे हो. ठीक है? That is called counter proposal, which I believe you will accept. You bring Johnny home and pay me $250. Now he is giving him offer that you please bring my son at home and give me $250. So Ebenezer Dorset knew that my child is so much naughty that I'm sure that I don't need to pay them money. In fact, I will get money from them to get my son back. So he said that give me $250 and then you can just send me my kid back. Okay? You had better come at night. Now he's giving them advice that please come at night because neighbors think that the boy has been kidnapped and they will send you to the police. So he's saying that रात के 12-1 बजे आना so that nobody can see you and give me $250 and give my son back. So imagine the situation. Two kidnappers are there. They are asking $1,500. But the father of the son, he knew that his child is so naughty that he asked $250 from them. ठीक है? वो कहता आप मुझे पैसे दो बॉय वापस भेजने के. ठीक है? Now who will read? Yes, Sana. Sana, till get away. I think you muted yourself, beta. Unmute again.
Sam, great pirates of Penzance, of all the know. Sam looked at Bill and stopped. Bill had the most
Appealing.
appealing look in his eyes, which which Sam hum or talking animal. Bill, Sam, what's $250? After all, where have got the money? One more night of his boy will drive me crazy. I think Mr. Dorset is making us more good offer. You are not going to let the chance go, are you? Sam, tell you the truth. Bill, this little lamb has got on my nerves too. Where will take him home, pay the ransom, and make our get away. Bill and Sam look at each other with a slight of relief.
Okay, fine.
Sam,
So Sam, great pirates of Penzance. Beta, this is the very funny condition. Funny condition, why? Because the kidnappers, they are going themselves, beta, to pay money to just send back the person who they have kidnapped. Okay? Generally, kidnappers get money, but in this case, what is happening? They are giving $250 to send the boy back. Okay? Of all the nerve means shocking. This is very shocking incident. Sam looks at Bill and stops. Bill had the most appealing look. Appealing means attractive, so his eyes are shining. Why? Because he is happy that finally they got the way to just get rid of this naughty boy. ठीक है, इस naughty boy से side हटने का उनको एक way मिल गया. ठीक है. So he now Sam thought that he was just a dumb and talking animal initially, but now Bill is having some shine in his eyes. Okay, Sam, what's $250 after all? So he's saying that ये होते क्या $250? We must pay this money to Mr. Dorset and send this child back. Okay, we have got the money. They are already having $600. So out of those $600, now they are going to pay $250 to Mr. Dorset कि वो अपने boy को वापस बुला ले. ठीक है? One more night of this boy will drive me crazy. So Bill said that I will just become crazy if this child would come stay with us. ठीक है? I think Mr. Dorset is making us a good offer. You aren't going to let the chance to go, are you? So he's saying that Mr. Dorset sent us a very good offer and we will definitely pay $250. Tell you the truth, Bill, this little lamb is the person who is not elegant, okay, who is not having much manners. So he's saying that this mannerless boy has got on my nerves. Nerves means to bother someone. Get on nerves. कहते हैं किसी मुझे इतना ज्यादा तंग कर दिया that we'll take him home, pay the ransom and make out get away. So he's saying that we will pay $250. ठीक है? Now they both are ready to pay $250. Okay, the next is Nishtha. Nishtha, please complete the chapter quickly.
Good morning, ma'am. Sam, we took him home that night. We got him to go by telling him that his father had bought him a gun and we were going to hunt bears. The next day, it was 12 o'clock when we knocked on Ambenzer's front door. Bill counted out $250 into Dorset's hand. When the boy learned we were planning to leave him at home, he started to cry loudly and held himself as tight as he could Bill's leg. His father pulled him away
Slowly. Okay, I think she has muted herself. So beta, now they took him home that night and they gave him $250. Okay, but the boy was not ready to go at home. So they told him one lie. They told him that your father has bought a gun for you. Okay? So they said that your father has bought a new gun for you and we must go and get that gun and then we will go for hunting. तो उन्होंने उसको झूठ बोला घर ले जाने के लिए that we will go for hunting. ठीक है? But when the boy learned we were planning to leave him at home, जब boy को असली सच पता चला, he started to cry loudly and held himself as tight as he could to Bill's leg. So he just held the leg of Bill. उसने Bill की leg को इतने tightly पकड़ लिया that he was not ready to just leave him. His father pulled him away slowly. So his father, Mr. Dorset, who got $250 from Bill and Sam, he just pulled him slowly. Okay. And in the ending, Dorset is holding on the boy very tightly. Sam and Bill are attempting to make their way. Now they are trying their best to run from there. वो boy से पीछे छुड़वाना चाहते थे and they just tried to run. Bill, how long can you hold him? I'm not as strong as I used to be, but I think I can promise you 10 minutes. So Bill asked Mr. Dorset कि आप इसको कितनी देर पकड़ के रख सकते हो? He said that I can just hold him for 10 minutes. You can just run away from here. ठीक है? So Bill said that in 10 minutes I will leave this place and I will leave this city also in 10 minutes. So they ran so fast. Okay. So yes, Bill starts running and Sam quickly follows behind him. Sam उसको follow कर रहे हैं and they are running hard. और boy को किसने पकड़ा हुआ है? उसके father ने. For 10 minutes only. So Sam, as dark was and fat as Bill was and good as a runner and he was a good mile and half out of summit before I could catch with him. So कह रहा है कि Bill इतनी तेज भागा, he ran so fast, but finally I caught him. ठीक है, मैं उसके तक पहुंच गया. And Sam and Bill, they left the city forever. उन्होंने हमेशा के लिए वो city छोड़ दी and they tried to get rid of the boy. So this was the funny story, I think. We are not having time. We'll discuss back exercise and question answers next week. And tomorrow you are having your test also. I have sent it in WhatsApp group.